Hello, today I'm going to show you how to understand the smart contract calculations auto dispute. From the workflow instances list, for the load record that you want to see detail on, click on the Show Details button. You will then be taken to the detailed view page for that load. To see if a specific load has auto dispute calculations activated, check the Smart Contract Calculations detail section. If auto dispute is active, it will be recorded as Y. If not, it will be recorded as N. If auto dispute is active, this means that any accessorial charge units that have been added by the carrier does not align with the values that have been reported by the NOC. Note, if the invoice is sent with auto dispute on, the invoice will go to the auditor instead of freight payables. Prior to sending the invoice, you will have the opportunity to correct the chargeable units to ensure it aligns with the NOC's expected units. If you do not want to submit the invoice with the chargeable units that you have input, you will be able to send it to freight payables, but the invoice will need to be reviewed by an auditor first. If auto dispute is not active, the invoice may be submitted to freight payables for payment.